Part 5. The Roadmap to Technocratic Governance. Welcome back. We have outlined the vision, the structure, and the necessary steps for implementing a modular technocratic governance system. Now, let's talk about the transition. How do we get from where we are today to this new system? That's the question. Because without a concrete roadmap, when the best ideas remain just that, ideas. Step 1. Creating parallel governance structures. We know that dismantling the current system overnight is neither realistic nor strategic. Instead, we begin by building parallel systems and institutions that function alongside existing governments but are independent of political interference. These parallel structures include independent economic boards, composed of top economists and financial experts who oversee national resources without political influence. Technocratic Development Councils, led by engineers, medical professionals, and scientists to design and implement critical infrastructure projects. Transparent digital governance platforms where data is public, ensuring accountability in government spending and decision making. By creating these alternative institutions, we begin shifting power away from politicians and toward capable hands without waiting for permission from those in power. Step 2. Localized pilot programs. Prove it works. The best way to drive change is to demonstrate success. We do not start by overhauling entire nation. We do start with local pilot programs, smart cities, special economic zones, or self-sustaining communities led entirely by technocrats. Example, a pilot city in Ghana is run with a blockchain-powered budget, where citizens see every government transaction in real time. A healthcare initiative in Ethiopia is fully designed and managed by doctors, not politicians. A renewable energy project in Kenya is overseen by engineers who ensure efficiency and cost effectiveness. These pilots prove to the people that technocratic governance isn't just an idea, it's a working model that delivers better results. Once success is visible, demand grows for expansion. Step 3. Direct diaspora involvement. Africa's intellectual capital abroad is a gold mine, yet it remains largely untapped. Why? Because traditional governments have either blocked or mismanaged diaspora engagement. That change is now. That changes now. And instead of sending money blindly, the diaspora directly funds and manages projects on the ground. Engineers abroad pair with African teams to build sustainable infrastructure without middlemen siphoning funds. Doctors abroad return to establish tech-driven hospitals that rival the best in the world. This isn't charity. This is investment, ownership, and a stake in African future. The era of Africans abroad being sidelined is over. Step 4. Leveraging AI and data to eradicate corruption. Corruption isn't just a problem, it is the problem. But instead of endless anti-corruption campaigns, we make corruption impossible through AI-driven governance. Imagine. AI audits every government contract in real time. flagging suspicious transactions automatically. Public spending is transparent. Any citizen can track national budgets like checking a bank account. Decisions are based on data, not politics, eliminating room for bribery and favoritism. This isn't science fiction. These tools already exist. It is time to use them. Step 5. Education and psychological shift. Ending the political addiction. One of Africa's biggest challenges is that political thinking dominates public discourse. Every problem is blamed on political parties. Every solution is expected to come from politicians. The cycle repeats and nothing changes. We must retain our societies to think technologically, not politically. When we train our societies to think technocratically, we need schools to teach problem solving, critical thinking, and governance as engineering, not just elections and protests. Media must shift focus from political drama to data-driven solutions. The youth must see scientists and engineers as leaders, not just career politicians. This mindset shift is as important as the system itself, because if people don't demand better governance, even the best system will fall. The big questions: can we accept that Africa's current leaders are not fit to guide the continent into the future? Are we ready to trust technocrats over politicians? Will the diaspora step up, not just with remittance, but with direct investment? Can Africa become the first continent to fully embrace AI-driven governance before the rest of the world? These are the questions we must ask ourselves, because the future is coming fast. And if Africa doesn't take control of its destiny, someone else will. In part 6, we'll explore the first steps in action, how you can contribute to build this system right now. Stay with me. The future is ours to shape. Thank you.